Alright, you guys, have a new Zippo for you today. This is going to be the box. Old-timey box, as you can see. This is a Corona Light Relax box. I'll set it aside. Got a little Zippo kit up. Let's open this baby up. There we go. Obviously, this is going to be a great addition to my alcohol collection of Zippos. Bought this used. Beautiful color. Never fired. I like how the top is printed with the crown. That's kind of cool. And we're just going to take out the flint. Put it in the flint half pipe. The insert is 2003. The case is also 2003. Beautiful Zippo. Great for my alcohol collection.